Most people have no idea how wrong they are when it comes to that. You think you know what it means when people say God is love? What if I tell you the real meaning is more intense and even a little bit uncomfortable? We all love the idea that God is love, right? It's actually comforting. Here's the thing. Most people stop about the feeling good part of it. They don't really dig deeper to know what the true meaning is. Here's the truth. Not everyone can swallow that. God's love, it's not just about acceptance. It's sacrificial and holy. And yes, just think about it for a second. God's love led Jesus to die on that cross. It was not just to be kind or whatever. It was actually to deal with the reality of sin. Here's the truth. Real love confronts us, calling us higher. That is the kind of love that God has for us. Deep, challenging, and life-changing. If you really want to dive deeper about understanding the true meaning of God's love, comment the word love and I will send you a free resources that's going to open your eyes and challenge you and show you all the challenge that God's love is calling.